Good morning. So I wanted to take some time this morning and film the loading process for our lawn care company here in Hutto, Texas. So this is our Hutto location. We are opening up a Georgetown, Texas location here in the next 20-ish days. But one thing that we've seen with other lawn care companies is they have a lot of waste throughout their day. And what I mean by waste is the time it takes to load up and unload equipment at the start and the end of each day is non-revenue generating tasks. That means it is waste. You are paying these field laborers to be here, and they are performing tasks that are not making direct revenue for the company. That is what waste is. So one thing we've prioritized with our company is an efficient system for loading and unloading all of our equipment. We bring in the trucks that need the trailers and we load them up first, and we have this lean-to right outside of our office space, and it has all of the equipment efficiently set up and organized. As you can see, we have pallets of mulch. We keep all of our mowers set up. A military term is dressed, right? So each mower is set up in the same spot every single day. All of our string trimmers for each truck is hung up in a specific spot within the unit, and each crew knows exactly which piece of equipment they are taking. These ramp racks here make it super efficient and super easy to load and unload equipment, and it reduces waste because you don't have to load and unload a trailer. As you can see in this video, there's 3 trucks and 2 trailers. We have our other ramp rack in, not the shop, but it's getting a full truck wrap done. So that white and blue truck that you're seeing, that's going to be the new wrap for all of our trucks going forward. So we do have a 4th truck, and that is currently getting wrapped. But we keep our system and our trailers and our trailerless setups pretty seamless and pretty simple. All of the racks are on the same side. All of the blowers are on the same side. We want to just keep everything uniform to make it easy for loading and unloading equipment. We also don't load our trailers and our trucks with unnecessary equipment. Like, we've seen big trailers driving through with 3 stand-on mowers and 4 push mowers and 2 people in a truck. Like, there's no way that is technically making any profit. We only put equipment on our trailers and in our truck that we are going to use. So if somebody were to look at these setups that we're having in this video this morning, this one, for example, is just a 21-inch push mower, and we're going to go do some flower bed jobs today with it, and 2 string trimmers. Our main setup for mowing is a 32-inch stand-on, a 21-inch push mower, 1 combi system that has a hard edger attachment, another string trimmer, a blower, 5-gallon Sure-Can racks for our 2-cycle mix. The spool for the weed eaters, it has its own rack. And that system and that setup for that trailer will make $20,000 to $25,000 a month in revenue. So if we have 4 of those this year, we're set up to do $100,000 a month in revenue, and that's just going to really help us accomplish our goals. So I hope this video helps you understand that you don't need this super complex setup, or you don't need to sit there and spend 45 minutes loading and unloading your equipment at the start and the end of each day. Keep it simple. Keep all of your equipment in the same spot. Keep your shop space organized, so that way it's as simple as loading up a trailer or pulling up a truck and loading and unloading the equipment the same way you do it every single day. I know I'm kind of getting long-winded here. I'm just trying to fill the gaps so that you can watch this video with some voice overlay. This is a quick snapshot of our lean-to and of our trucks, and we just like to keep the area nice and clean. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We are doing coaching calls, so if that's something you're interested in, leave a comment and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks, guys.